Oh, well.
Oh, Lord.
We're rebuilding this engine. Good morning, everybody. Alright, it's Sunday. I already got my video out to y'all, but I'm starting this video for this weekend in the previous weekend. Because, you know, we got a car's on the trailer. We up here out on the border of Mexico waiting on Sir Charles to wakey. And as soon as he wakes up, the motor's unbolted. I'd actually be surprised if it didn't fly out and destroy our radiator on the drive here. It's just sitting in there. Well, I guess it can't. There's a lot of weight on it and it's in between the engine mounts. But yeah, you know, when you're tired and you've been busting butt all week and you're driving to work, all you gotta do is pop on Peter Frampton. Do you feel like we do? Your whole mood will change. That's a good way to start the day right there. Alright guys, I'll get with you when stuff is happening. This fog rolled in out of nowhere. Alright guys, so Chuck's doing a little bit of tractor maintenance. Looks like he's airing up the tires. Got a cinder block under the car that's gonna hopefully catch the transmission there. Yeah, it's got like half an inch before it hits, till it hits now. Alright, let's get this thing strapped up and see how we're gonna do this. Look at that.
You want to grab that expensive flex plate so it doesn't eat the concrete? Probably.
Alright, I feel better. I can deal with that. Kind of dark, kind of oily. Chuck, this thing looked like a chopper.
Work in progress, bud.
Work in progress. I dig it. You're lifting this song gun, how much?
10 inches.
10-inch lift.
Yeah.
Okay, this thing is actually starting to end up pretty cool here.
10-inch lift.
Hot dog.
37 to 38s under there.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be sick with a 38 up front. I still think you should run stocks in the back, so it's just tooted like a big trike. Heck yeah. I'm gonna have to take back all that queer wheeling talk. It's no longer gonna be a queer wheeler.
It's a man wheeler.
That's gonna be a man wheeler. Oh, cat snatcher.
Cat snatcher.
Oh,
Cooter
cat.
recruiter.
Cooter recruiter. Cat snatcher. Ooh, dog. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna turn this bad boy over, take off the oil pan. Probably bust that oil filter off first though. Jeez. Old Butterfingers over here.
What are you missing?
My extension tray. Oh, well,
Oh Lord.
we're rebuilding this engine.
There's some material.
Look at
in
that.
there.
Bearing's gone.
Wonder which one.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, you found that one in there.
dude, disco party in the oil pan.
Disco party.
All that copper shiny in there, dude.
Yeah, she done for. Shine back in there. Oh yeah. Oh.
Alright, so maybe it wasn't the lifter's ticket.
Alright, well, we ain't gonna be doing no quick swap here, boys. That's a little bit worse than just keeping bearings.
Damn, man.
That's a full rebuild, it looks like, so far. And we only got the oil pan off.
But you know what? It's all part of hot rodding, Bubs.
That's right. Okay, so we might be down for a little bit longer than we were originally thinking, but we get to come back stronger. Alright, let's tear it down and see the rest of it. Clean up all these tools and stow this away somewhere Chuck don't mind, because we're going to be away for a little bit here, saving up cheddars. Anybody wants to support me, check out my OnlyFans page. You know,
It's two fat dudes working on motors.
two fat dudes working on motors. If you subscribe today, you get half off.
Might pull a titty out if you ask that.
That's right, you get a little nipple here and there. Okay, guys, let's bust this down. And I thought I was going to upload this video next weekend, but it looks like we're going to be able to finish this video today. All that work.
It was worth it.
Oh yeah, dude, because that's definitely bearing gone. I don't know which one, but we fit to find out. Oh no, you don't. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me.
What's stripping out?
I don't know, but
The windage tray nuts.
I got my the oil pump. What in the world is the right size?
You and that gas power be causing a lot of problems, dude.
Listen, I want to hear it, Chuck.
You make fun of me for using caveman tools, but I don't strip
I
stuff
don't
out.
make fun of your caveman tools. I don't know where you got that mumbo jumbo from. I swear.
Strip them out some more.
Chuck, I'm gonna cut them off. No, I don't do that.
Stop. Stop.
You don't even know what I'm doing.
You're messing it up.
No, I got a bolt extractor.
Well, you've done it now, ain't you?
What you talking mess for, Chuck?
You got a socket that fits in that nicely?
I think it's a 5.5.
It's a 4.5.
No, it's not.
It's a 4.5.
I could fit a 5 in both of them. It's bigger than a 5.
Spot on my rage.
Here's a good sized socket. It ain't got no wobble to it.
I think it's spinning.
Inside of it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on.
That one's stripped out.
Oh my god. What in the world are you on?
It's all that ruckus.
You spend that one too?
Not yet.
Maybe we get a 5.5.
I don't think these need to be 550 foot-pounds, Josh. For next time.
You know what I think? I think my oil pickup never drained or leaked, never came off, and did what I needed it to.
I know that caveman tool just broke that bolt loose.
Dude, I don't make fun of your caveman tools. I like your caveman tools.
It ain't gonna break that one loose because it's a circle now.
Oh yeah, that's
That costs
pretty good.
extra right there, bud.
Well, how'd you do that?
Working my caveman tool.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. One of them bolty extractors.
Oh, not bad.
Oh, yeah. Alright, let's cut to a time lapse and then get with y'all when we find new things. Alright, boys, if you haven't made your guesses,
It's all bad news.
it's all bad news. We got some bent rods. Yeah, that one don't look so straight, does it? Alright, we're gonna get everything out, lay it out, and show y'all. Alright, so we definitely got some bent rods here. That one you can really tell. These are bearings. Some of them wore a lot worse, some aren't as bad. You can still see the coating on this guy. Wore pretty good. Wore pretty good. Still got some coating left. Coating. But the last one absolutely spun the rod bearing. Yeesh. See where that copper is going into the crank there? Now I run these cheaper bearings because they're supposedly softer, meaning they won't damage your crank if you spin a rod bearing or a main or anything like that. I'm amazed this thing drove on the trailer and wasn't making more noise. Alright, let me get this thing out. Oh yeah. Wonder how long that was like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, this crank's probably done for, but we had already planned on going to a different crank. These things are pretty ate up. Take a look at them mains in a second. That rod actually looks fairly straight. Alright, let's pop these mains. Alright, so here's where I was saying the crank is behind by one tooth. So the cam, here's the dot, here's the dot. You know, that's about normal on an LS. I don't know if this thing did stretch or not. It's kind of hard to tell because these things come with a bunch of play from factory. You know, stock. I'm gonna turn this crank over though real quick and just see one thing. Yeah, that all looks normal there. The mains look fantastic. Like, literally, the day we put them in there. I mean, they're dirty, but they still look great. You know, definitely got a little bit of schmoo in there. Started eating them rod bearings, but other than that, they look mint. So I mean, that's the only thing promising right now. I put this nick right there on the thrust bearing. When I was pulling it out, it yoked out and then came falling back down. But other than that, thrust bearing looks amazing. You know, y'all have seen me get up on that brake for a minute. Alright, well, that's really it. Just pull the timing gear off the cam real quick, pull the chain off, timing set, pop the crank out, and start making a parts list. Yeah, I don't know if I want to reuse these bearings anymore, even though we originally had planned to throw a crank in here. There's just too much rod debris in these for me to feel good about them. They were mint, but all that rod ruckus going on, yeah, I don't really want to send it like that. Well, don't let these things discourage you. I say it often, because it's gonna happen. It's just a matter of when. That's all part of hot rodding. All right, guys, looks like I definitely need to order some rod bearings, some main bearings. We got a crank we can use, and I got somebody that's gonna give me a set of Gen 4 rods for a 5.3. So most likely what's gonna happen is we're gonna take the pistons off of those rods, those junk ones, put them on the 5.3 rods, put the new rod bearings in, put the new main bearings in, and send it. Now, I am thinking, because it is tax season, I do want to have this last a little bit longer. We might just go forged. I don't know yet, though. Alright, guys, I'll catch you this weekend with a video, and I hope y'all have a great week meanwhile. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe.